Hello guys, welcome back to this Canva graphic design. Here now, after bringing in your background, I'm going to teach you how to put frame. Maybe you want your picture to be in a circled frame, how to bring it, or square, or any kind of shape that you want your picture to be on. So you go to this element and you go to frame, then you have lots of them that you can use to put your picture. So I'll first use this one. So I'll use this one depending on what you want to design, so you bring it in. So you go again, I want to put another frame where I will put another picture, so I will take circle. So when I bring it, I will put it straight to where I want it to be. I'll put it straight to where I want it to be and make sure I align it well. So that is how you are to do put your frame. This frame now is that any picture you want to put, immediately you upload the picture will go straight right into the frame, and it will not be on other places except the place that will be covered by frame. So that is how you are to do it. So try and arrange it to the way you want it. So the next video will be about how to add pictures, so stay tuned.